Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video today. And I'm excited to show you message response today. This is a new messaging software and it's for Skype. Now, as you can see on my screen, what this software gives you the ability to do is it gives you the ability to send messages out to Skype contacts in your network. So say, for example, if you have customers that are using Skype and you want to be able to engage with them in a different way, then you can use this software to do that. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to pass you on to the creator of this software. He's done a really good demonstration of how the software works, and down below you can also see a training video. I thought this training video was really good to show you how to actually set the software up. The software itself is something that is completely new. It requires that you use what's called a Microsoft application app. And basically, this Microsoft application app will communicate with message response to enable you to send out broadcasts as Skype messages, which is really cool. It's like email for Skype. So it basically works like this. And I'll pass you on to the guys in just a moment. Basically, you just need to go into Skype after you've set up your Skype bot. You've got a special Skype bot code that you enter in, and then you get a link as well. As part of the Skype bot link, you can send that link out, and anyone who clicks on that link and is logged into Skype or decides to log into Skype will then become basically a part of your subscriber list inside of the software. So when you schedule in messages like this, you select a specific bot, and you can create multiple bots for different email or different Skype messages that you want to send out. So different lists, basically. If you've got a fitness list and a local business list and a online marketing list, those are 3 different lists. So you'd have 3 different bots. So you can choose which bot you want to send the message out to. Now, the bot represents a list, okay? So it's basically, bot is a interesting word of saying list. Then you can send out the message as you want it through here. You can say, hey, check this out. And you can have a link there, or you can write a marketing message, or you can just reach out and say, hey, how's it going? I wanted to see how you are finding this course. It's a great way of bulk communicating through Skype. You can do this with as many people as you want. Or if you wanted to, you could restrict it to a small group, about 5 people, that you send these Skype messages out to. Okay, so 5 people would make a lot of sense, because if you're running a coaching program, if you're running a local business coaching program, mastermind, anything like that, and you want to be able to communicate with those individuals over Skype, and you wanted to save time, so you don't have to message every single one of them individually, this software will give you the ability to do that. You can also schedule those messages in for a specific time. So if you, say, for example, wanted to send out a message to this particular list, this bot, you can select a specific time to send this message out, and you can have the message here as well. So this software is really useful if you do see, if you are using Skype yourself right now, if you want to be able to reach out to your customers in a different way than email. It's kind of like the push notifications. This is another way of engaging people through messages that they can see in another medium that they probably are going to be more likely to open and view, because Skype is something that is really new. People don't often perceive Skype as being an automatic way of communication, whereas what you'll be doing is basically communicating through Skype, so people will probably see it more as a personal message. So what I encourage you to do is, when you use this software, be personal with it. Don't use this to blast out messages non-stop over Skype. That's probably going to turn people off. What I'd recommend using, and where I see this being used, is for smaller groups, smaller coaching groups, being able to communicate with those groups in a way to make sure that people don't miss out. I'm going to be doing this with a couple of my mastermind coaching groups. Now, in terms of bulk messages, you can do this if people really want your information, they want it on a daily basis. Why not allow them to subscribe to receive something on a daily basis? So if it's a discount you send to the local a daily basis, if it's something like that, that could work really well sent out to a large group of people. So it's another way of communicating, and it's a cool software that allow you to do quite a bit with it over Skype. I don't think I've seen a software come out like this before that allows you to schedule messages and send messages out as well. Now, the disadvantage is there is a bit of a learning curve, because this is something completely new. It does take a little bit to grab and grasp and understand. So that's the reason that I'm about to introduce you to the creator of this product. He's going to walk you through how to create your and send your messages, what bots are, and down below you'll actually see how you can set up your bots. You have to set up each individual time you want to send or create a list, you basically need to create a new application, okay, a new bot. And that video is going to really clearly describe the first step when you get into the software, which is creating your first bot. So I encourage you to view that as well. All right, enough from me. Thanks for watching this video. Go down below, check out all of the details of this product, and I encourage you to hold on and watch the step-by-step walkthrough now of how the software works, how you can use this to message people through Skype. Okay, here we go.
During this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to use the Skype bot to build up your subscriber count and easily communicate with your audience via Skype automated messages. All right, so once we get through the setting up of the bot itself, you are going to be given a unique URL just like you see here. And this is the URL that you can share with your family, your friends, your subscribers. You can put it on your website. You can put it inside of your Facebook post, wherever you are looking to build your audience. And when someone clicks that link, they're going to see this screen here where it has your bot name, the image of your bot, a description of your bot, and then the visitor can easily click on add to contacts and just add your bot right into their Skype account, okay? All right, so now that you have a basic understanding of how it works, let me show you how easy it is to use it. So inside of your dashboard, all you have to do is select the bot name, which I only have one right now, but you can have multiple bots, and then simply type out your message, whatever it could be. So I can say 20% off all items in the store for 48 hours. And then I can simply just include a link to my website, link.com, and I'm going to click on send. Now, once I do that, the top of the page here, we can see it was successfully sent. And now, if I head over here to my Skype, we can see on my left-hand side, I have Corey's bot, my little image, and we can see my message. If I click on that, 20% off all items in the store for 48 hours, and then my link.com. Okay, extremely, extremely powerful. And it also, as you can see, it works on mobile devices as well. So this is a very powerful feature where you can build up your subscribers on Skype, which everyone uses Skype and checks Skype frequently, and then you can automate messages to them right through the dashboard.